that cool?
You drew your name in cursive the very first time. Did you help him?
Nope. I didn't even
Oh,
realize he
there's
was
a
doing
close
that.
one's distraction!
Ooh, what's it say to do? Read up
That's what
top.
it says.
See if the Lachlan can read it.
Can you read that?
What?
What does that say?
It tells you what to say right there.
Help build this wall by doodle adding bricks.
Mmm.
I think well, first you gotta show you how to draw my name.
Okay. I'm gonna video you drawing it. Did you forget it last time? Lachlan, that's pretty amazing. That's alright.
But this part of the A is B, C. Wait, C.
That's super duper cool. Woohoo for cursive!
I gotta tell everyone that I learn cursive.